with the others. Ooh. I put those aren't when you really love me, but those that were really far away.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yadira. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my socials, and become part of the butterfly family. So today I'm just gonna show you. I'm just gonna recreate this makeup look that my cousin wanted me to recreate for her. It's one of her looks, but she wanted me to recreate it. So nice and simple. She has those ruby kind of like violet lips. I don't think I have a lipstick like that, but I'll figure it out. I have a whole bunch of lipsticks there. And also just like a little bit of orange and yellow and just simple look. She wanted me to recreate. So this is what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna recreate this look from my cousin on my channel, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And let's just get started. I did my face, as you can see. I did my makeup, did whatever. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to cut my lids, white jumbo pencil and milk to kind of really make it stand out. So let's do that. I mean, you guys can use an eye primer, whatever you desire. I don't know, I just find that when I use eye primers, I don't know, it just doesn't work unless it's not. I've used the Urban Decay one. I do not like that. A lot of people like it, but I don't like it. It's just a little tiny base that I want to put just so I can have the colors kind of stand out a little bit more. Mind you, I was recording and then it just stopped. I don't know where, so I had to start over. Okay, so I'm going to be using my Yes Please palette from ColourPop, which is only like one shade of yellow. And then my Morphe, what is it? My Morphe 3502 palette as well. This one I haven't used in a minute, and I love the shades that it has. This one's like perfect for fall. It has all the perfect shades. I'm gonna start off with the yellow from the ColourPop, just to kind of, because I can see that she kind of did a little bit of yellow there, and just pack it up. So yeah, it was funny because she's like, you think you can recreate this look? I'm like, yeah, sure. I'll recreate it on my channel for her so she can. I like recreating looks, guys, because you can always put your own touch to it. Make it more unique, make it more dramatic, less dramatic, depending on how the look is. And I love her so much. Okay, so I already started that base with the yellow. The shade Ablaze, which is orange from the Morphe 3502 palette. Or any orange that you guys desire or have in front of you. And I'm just going to pack that on here. Never like bringing it too much because I don't want to lose the intent. I don't want to lose that yellow as well. I want that yellow to seep through. Because that's how it looks in the picture. She has like that orangey, but then you can see kind of like orange, yellowish. And I'm going to bring that orange to the lid as well. And I think, yeah, we could add more yellow. Don't worry about that. Orange right here. So I'm doing these two color packet here. Because unless she has it on the lid. Blending in. Mine might look a little bit more intense only because I'm using more probably pigmented shadows, depending on what shadows that she used, because I don't know like what palette she used, something like that. And basically right here, bring it here, because it kind of blends the colors together and it makes it like a nice little, like that. You know what I mean? Like candy corn. I might put lashes or I might just keep it how she has it. Not sure yet. but we'll see. And then I'll just blend all that. Okay, so I'm recreating her look. She did, it looks like she only had one little shade in the bottom, but I'm gonna mix. If you all know, when you're doing shadows, always make sure to do the same process you did on the lids, also on your lower lash line, so everything can be nice and cohesive and everything just matches together. So that's what I'm gonna do. Same exact colors I put, I'm gonna put on the lid as well. I mean, under the, you guys get me. I'm just gonna go in with a nice clean brush and I'm just going to blend everything together to make it look really nice, and just blend it. He has a little bit of just mascara and eyeliner. My Essence What the Fake Volumizing and Luminizing Mascara, which I really love. See the difference just from this eye with the mascara and in this eye? It kind of like, you know what I'm saying? So mascara can make a difference. And I only paid $2.99 for this mascara. It's amazing. I love it. Okay, guys. So now that it's like this, I'm then going to get the same ColourPop palette. I'm going to grab the shade Full Zip right here. It's like a white shade. This gold in the inner corner. Only because it's going to put a little oomph into it. And I just wanted to add a little definition right here, because I love the inner corners to be a little nice and bright. And okay, then lips, let's see. I think the closest I have is this one.